Good afternoon, Canada. This is Tasha's Cooking Show. So today we have a guest star on our show. It is Tim Boley. He's going to teach us how to cook a delicious curried rice and chicken. So here we go. Tim, come on in.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much for having me in. You know, I really appreciate it. One of our curried chickens is one of the best. And
It is the best.
yeah, Tasha's had it a few times. You know what I mean?
Okay, so how do we start this curry chicken
Well-
and coconut rice, by the way?
Well, what we're going to start with is some really fresh chicken. And so what you want to do is, Tash, could you grab some frozen chicken out of the freezer?
Fresh chicken.
Yeah.
Yeah. Out of
So-
the fridge. Yeah.
Out of the fridge, sorry. What we're going to start with is a really nice fresh chicken. It's a mushroom. But, nevertheless,
It's actually, stop it.
honey, seriously, my knees are hurting.
You can't say it's a mushroom. That doesn't work.
But we need
That's
fresh
fine.
chicken.
I'm not wasting our fresh chicken.
On this video, it's absolutely well
I'm
worth
not
it.
having mushroom.